Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I tell about how to install Visual Studio Code. In these days programming is very popular and I want to teach you how to code with .NET. I'm gonna tell you what is .NET, but firstly I want you to focus on what programming is. Basically programming is that make computers to do something. If you want your computer to do something, you have to know their languages. Their languages are C#, Java, Python, Node.js, and other many languages. We'll learn C#. C# is very simple and fast coding language. C# has been created by Microsoft. We'll use a lot of Microsoft technologies. For example, Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code, Microsoft SQL Server, and the technologies what we need. For coding, we need an environment. We call that IDE, Integrated Development Environment. There are a lot of IDE in order to coding, but Visual Studio Code is simple, extendable, portable, free, and very fast. Let's install Visual Studio Code. On the Google, we can search Visual Studio Code and download Visual Studio Code. Actually, this is Bing, yeah, not Google. Okay, it doesn't matter. If you have Windows operation system, you can download x64 setup file. And if you use macOS operation system, and if it has Intel chipset processor, you can download that Intel for the Intel chipset. And if it has M1, M2, M3 processor, you can download Apple Silicon setup file. In this video, I'll download Windows x64. I already have Visual Studio Code. Setup is very simple. Yeah. Open. Open it or download it, it doesn't matter. And finishing download. Okay. I accept that the agreement, next, and install. This is very simple. Okay, finishing downloading and finish downloaded and launch Visual Studio Code. This is Visual Studio Code startup screen. We use this screen many times. In this screen have recent codes, these, and start comments in order to new coding. Yeah, that's all. This is Visual Studio Code. Thank you very much. See you later.